Your production critical machine is running smoothly, cranking out parts. It's a good day. Then there's that awful sound. Uh-oh, the spindle just failed. Your machine is down. Now what are you going to do? Maybe you can fix it yourself. Maybe not. So why didn't you call HST? You know, they've been repairing spindles for over 30 years. That's all they do. It's not possible to be in business that long doing one thing unless you're really good at it. And these guys are really good. And you know that HST has the best highly trained technicians. These guys are like surgeons, and their work area is more like an operating room than a machine shop. Besides, they have all of the specialty equipment required to repair machine tool spindles, such as certified test bars. They will replace all drawbar springs and set the pull force using calibrated dynamometers. All rotating components will be balanced on one of their shank balancers. And they will run your spindle up to full speed on their spindle high-frequency drive. They don't send the spindle back unless it passes their stringent vibration testing and analysis. HST has precision metering system to make sure your spindle bearings will get just the right amount of high-performance lubrication for maximum life. And HST has in-house grinding. They can restore damaged tapers and journals with their GPG process. They don't have to waste time with outsourcing like some shops. They only use the very best top name brand super precision spindle bearings, names like NSK, GMM, and SKF. So what are you waiting for? If your spindle is damaged, call HST. They will provide a free, no obligation quote. As soon as they receive your spindle, it gets a complete examination. Your spindle will be repaired in a clean room setting. HST will restore your spindle to like new condition. They'll get it back to you fast, guaranteed. Now, aren't you glad you called HST? I told you they were good, and your spindle is running like new. There is a reason they receive spindles from all over the world. If you have a spindle problem, don't hesitate to call the experts at High Speed Technologies or visit their website. They've posted lots of helpful information in their blog and the FAQ section. You can call them at 1-603-483-0333 or email to info@highspeedtechnologies.com. info@highspeedtechnologies.com.